Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Aisha Khalid and I'm going to present retrovirus as a vector in gene therapy. A retrovirus is any virus belonging to the family Retroviria. All of the genetic material in the retroviruses is in the form of RNA molecules, while the genetic material of their host is in the form of DNA. This is the structure of virus. Virion of retrovirus consists of enveloped particles about 100 nanometer in diameter. The outer lipid membrane envelope consists of glycoproteins. The virion also contains two identical single-stranded RNA molecules, 7 to 10 kilobases in length, and reverse transcriptase. Retrovirus genome commonly contain these three open reading frames that encode for proteins that can be found in the mature virus. Group specific antigen GAG codes for core and structural protein of the virus. The polymerase codes for reverse transcriptase, protease, and integrase and envelope codes for the retroviral code proteins. After reverse transcription of the viral RNA genome into double-stranded cDNA in the cytoplasm of the host cell, the viral cDNA exhibits the same sequence at both ends, the long terminal repeats. The long terminal repeats are essential for the viral integration and expression of viral genes. When a retrovirus infects a host cell, it will introduce its RNA together with some enzymes. This RNA molecule from the retrovirus must produce a DNA copy from its RNA molecule before it can be considered part of the genetic material of the host cell. The process of producing a DNA copy from an RNA molecule is called reverse transcription. It is carried out by one of the enzymes carried in the virus called reverse transcriptase. After this DNA copy is produced, it is free in the nucleus of the host cell. It must be incorporated into the genome of the host cell. DNA copy must be inserted into the large DNA molecule in the cell. The process is done by another enzyme carried in the virus called integrase. Now that genetic material of the virus is incorporated and has become the part of the genetic material of the host cell, we can say that the host cell is now modified to contain a new gene. If this host cell divides later, its descendants with all contain the new genes. Sometimes the gene of the retrovirus do not express this information immediately. This is the life cycle of the retrovirus. The retroviral life cycle starts with adsorption on the cell membrane and the penetration of nucleocapsid into the cell. After reverse transcription in the cytoplasm, the proviral DNA integrates into the host genome, followed by DNA transcription and translation of the virus proteins, packaging of RNA genome in the developing particle and budding. The next step, how to produce recombinant retroviral vectors. Retroviral vectors are created by removal of the retroviral GAG, POL, and ENV genes. These are replaced by the therapeutic gene. In order to produce viral particles, a packaging cell is essential. The next step is packaging cell lines. Packaging cell lines provide all the proteins required for the capsid production and the virion maturation of the vector. These packaging cell lines have been made so that they contain the GAG, POL, and envelope genes. Following insertion of the desired gene into the DNA vector and maintenance of the proper packaging cell line, it is now a simple matter to prepare retroviral vector.